Okay everybody, welcome back to Dan of All Trades. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter in your 2014 to 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. Should be the same. It's going to be up under here under the glove box, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so we want to open your glove box, get everything out of here if it's full of junk, and then tabs over here. There's going to be tabs on each side like this, and how you get those open is you pull the side, just pull it towards you like that, and you got to do that on each side. And once you do that, it's gonna fall down. Okay, and then what we got to do is you look up into here. Okay, you see this cover right here? Right there behind that is where our filter is going to be. Now over here, there's going to be one of these on each side. See this? Pull them towards the middle. Just like that. Pops that off. Filter right there. Now that's what it looks like with the filter removed. Just a big hole, and once you get that cover off, the filter just slides right out of there, so it's not a big deal. So let's get our new one and slide it back in there. Just make sure it's the same size and everything as the one you pulled out. The easiest way to tell if your car has one of these or not is just when you're at the store. If there's a lookup for it and they make a filter, then it's got it. If it doesn't, there's not one, then most likely it doesn't have one. So I'm not sure, not all cars have them. Okay, now let's just slide the new filter in there. And it slides in there pretty easy, so you'll know it's in there when the edge of it is not sticking past the housing. It's not hard to get in there, slides right in there. So let's put the cover on now. Well, and I forgot to say with that, when you're sliding that filter in there, it doesn't matter which way it's facing. It's not like an air filter. I mean the engine air filter. It doesn't matter which way this one faces. Just get that cover on there. Make sure those locks snap. And that's that. Back in the same way you took it out. Just push these tabs in. And then push the glove box up. It's locked there when it doesn't fall back down. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my channel. Stay tuned to see what we're working on next.